Hello everybody. Here is a home decorators collection Mewry Ceiling Fan. Now this did replace some Minka Aire of some type. Well, that's when this house had a remodel that, this is my uncle's house, by the way. This house had a remodel where they remodeled everything around the house. So let's go through the 3-speed. So yeah, I did look around for that Minka Aire around the house. I'm guessing that it might have thrown in the trash, or I don't know what happened to it. But I liked that one before, but this one's pretty cool too. Okay guys, my hands are getting kind of tired from holding the phone, so I'm just going to prop it. So yeah, I'm going to do the spin down like this because my hands are getting tired. I'm just going to show it to you with the light on, with the light and high on. So there you go. Now we're going to do the spin down. So yeah. Yeah. Sorry about that. I had to close the door. It was getting loud. It was getting loud upstairs. So yeah. That was the Home Decorators Collection Mewry Ceiling Fan. So let's just wait till it spins down.